What up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today I got the 2025 Defender from Land Rover. All right, look at this machine right here. Look how beautiful this thing looks. Check out these wheels. Check out these tires. We got a 275 45 22. So yeah, let's take a quick walk around and take a look at this amazing beauty. In the Gondwana, I think it's called the Gondwana Stone. Right now, this thing is about 89,000 bucks. So, you know, still a beautiful car. Now, this is great for the off-roading situation. Look how beautiful that is with the spare tire. You get a full spare on the rear of it. This thing is really nice. This is a beautiful Land Rover. I think it should be more like about 45, 50,000, but hey, who am I to make the decision on the pricing for these Land Rover? Now, this one is also outfitted with all of the cameras under the mirror, camera up front, sensors up front. Right there you got 1, 2, 3, 4 sensors up front. You can see them right there. You do got the fog lamp, you do got the headlights. So it is a nice car. I like all this off-road situation going on, and that on top of the vehicle. Now let's take a quick look on the inside and see what it has to offer. There we go. Simple. I love it. This is simple. Door, open the door, your buttons for your control, for your windows, your mirrors, everything is right here. And I'll take a quick look on the interior. There it is. All right, now look, you can see all the spacing area that you got. Cup holder, space under here, cool and heat box. You got the wireless control so you can, wireless charge so you can charge your phone right there. And of course, 21st century, so we do have computer screens that are sitting right here. Let's lock the door. All right, we got a charger right there. Let's push the button, start it up, and take a quick look. Oh, look how nice. All right, we got another charger over here. We do have a glove box under here, but you do not have the double glove box like in the Range Rover. I guess it's the Land Rover. We do have the frameless mirror right there. And as we're up here, we're going to take a quick look and see that we can actually push back. And oh, nice. So we can do sunroof, sweet, or we could just remove the shade and the shade go all the way back. That's the nice panoramic roof, right? There's a beautiful leather right there. Take a quick look at that. Look at the beautiful leather over here. And then, of course, we have a few speakers going on. We have about 10. So we got one right there, one there, one in each one of the door. This is a nice machine to go off-road. It's a nice machine to drive around also. Let me turn down some of this air conditioned stuff because, but this one's, come on. Let's go. There we go. All right, there we go. And of course, we can control the height also with this, so we definitely have the option to control the height up and down, similar to what we do with the Range Rover, but we're not going to mess with that right now. There's more storage right there. All right, jump out, go in the back, and see what the passengers see. Okay, here's the rear area. There's the leather area right there. There's what we're looking at. See how beautiful that is. This is definitely designed for off-road. We got 2 more chargers back here, USB-C chargers right there. And take a look at the cockpit from this side. And then of course you can see how the display look right there from this side. And then of course there's a steering wheel with all of our button controls. And yeah, just beautiful. All right, let's go back and see how things look inside the trunk area. Now, this I like. I must say, love this. This is beautiful. This textural design here is just really nice. It's a beautiful idea for the off-road environment. That is really nice. I gotta give them kudos for this one. Love the texture. And of course you do have some buttons there. And over here we have a spot where we can charge, a lot more things than just a cell phone. All right, cool. I love it. I love it. On. There it is. Nice. All right, cool. That is your Land Rover Defender. Quick walk around on your Land Rover Defender. And with that said, we'll catch you on the next one. Peace.